Say that again.
Caleb's Kitchen.
Hi guys, this is Caleb. Welcome to Caleb's Kitchen. So this is my son. He was diagnosed with autism. So for my son, he is a picky fruit eater, but he's a smoothie drinker, right Caleb? So here, Caleb is showing you guys how he prepared his smoothie. Right, Caleb? You ready to place your fruits inside your blender? Nice. Now start putting your fruits inside. Pick up your bowl, baby, now, okay? Nice. So start. Okay, he's going ahead.
Okay. Got you.
Nice, Caleb. Okay, now put your fruits inside.
Okay.
So guys, here we have 1 banana, half of avocado, spinach, and some mixed berries, and our good old almond milk. So Caleb is placing everything inside to blend his smoothie. And he loves real smooth smoothie. Right, Caleb.
Put the juice.
See, he's being so careful. Nice, Caleb. So what's next for Caleb? Oops. That's okay. Got you. Uh-oh. So now baby's gonna put his milk. Yummy milk. Uh-oh. Nice, Caleb. Good boy. All done. So baby gonna put his lid on. Caleb. Nice, baby. And blend your smoothie now.
No.
How is that, Caleb? That's your smoothie, baby make mess. Does it taste nice? No, look at the camera, Caleb. Look at your people.
Over here.
Okay. Nice, right? Delicious.
Yum, yum, yum. Delicious.
Say delicious.
Delicious.
Nice.